Welcome, guys, to your science class. Okay, so today we're gonna learn about condensation. Okay, but to start, as you know, may already know water can change in state from solid to liquid gases. Okay, in today's lesson, we're going to talk about how liquid changes from a gas to a liquid during the process called condensation. Okay, so what is condensation? Imagine you're sitting outside on a hot summer day, drinking a cold glass of lemonade or water, okay? When you set your drink down in the table for a few minutes, mm, and then you go to pick it up again, you notice the entire outside of the glass is wet. And then you ask, there may even be drops of water rolling down the side of the glass? Where did this water come from? Okay, the answer is condensation, the process by which water vapor turns into a liquid. Okay, condensation is a process by which water vapor, that is a gas, turns into a liquid. Okay, turns into a liquid. So, condensation is responsible for the wetness on the outside of this glass. So let's go to your box on page 42 and 43. Okay, we're gonna read this. Breathe onto a window pane or a mirror. What do you observe? You should see tiny drops of liquid onto the mirror. What are the drops made of? Why do they form? The air you breathe out is warm. Okay, let's try. Put your hand here and breathe out. Okay. The air you breathe is warm. It's not cold and it's not hot. It's in the medium, okay? Está en el medio. Ni es caliente ni es frío, okay? It contains water vapor. When the warm air, touches the cooler surface, in this case the mirror, it cools down, okay? Your air cools down. If the surface is cold enough, the water vapor gas changes to drop of liquid water. Okay? This process is the opposite from evaporation. Okay? In evaporation, we transform something cold into something warm. Okay? But here you transform something warm into something cooler, okay? So, condensation happens because the particles of a gas lose energy when they get cooler. ¿Ya vieron? Es lo contrario a lo que vimos la semana pasada y lo que comprobamos con nuestro experimento. Entonces, porque en el evaporation se ganaban, o sea, teníamos más energía, pero aquí tenemos menos energía, ¿sí? Entonces, en el condensation se pierde energía. So, this makes them slow down and move closer together, forming a liquid. Okay, so let's read this example that is in your book. This one. It says a drink can with condensation on the outside. Let's go to activity 3.5a, and it says, where does the water come from? Look at the picture to see how to set up your investigation. Wipe both the glasses with a cloth. Leave the glasses for 10 minutes and observe them. Make level drawings of your observation. You need 2 glasses, ice, water, a measuring jug, and a cloth. Okay, so in one glass you're gonna put water and ice, and on the other one you're gonna put some water only. Okay, then you're gonna answer these questions. Were either of the glasses wet on the outside at the start of the investigation? How did you make sure of it? Number 2, A. Were either of the glasses wet on the outside at the end of the investigation? If so, which glasses? B. Where did the water come from and why? Number 3. Condensation is the reverse of evaporation. Explain why this is so. Okay? This is the activity you're going to post in the comments. Activity 3.5a. And okay, so how does condensation works? We're going to learn this. When water is heated, it turns into a gas. That is called water vapor. We already know that, okay? This is what happens when you see steam rising from a pot of boiling water. Por eso miramos el vapor saliendo del agua hirviendo. When water vapor is cooled, the opposite happens. The water vapor turns back into a liquid. ¿Ok? Entonces el vapor regresa, podríamos decirlo así, regresa a ser agua, y eso es lo que llamamos condensation. Okay, so you can find it in 3 the most common places. Outside of a cold glasses, que es lo que estamos viendo en el experimento. Warm side of a window, que es lo que pasa ahorita que está lloviendo. Estamos en la casa y cerramos todas las ventanas, miramos que algunas ventanas están mojaditas o ya tienen las gotitas de agua, ¿verdad? Y el siguiente es clouds up in the air. Las nubes es un claro ejemplo de condensation. ¿Ok? So, this is all for today. Hope you have a great weekend, and I'm gonna post an activity, another activity from this, and see you on the next class. Bye.